We have before us an ordeal of the most grievous kind. We have before us many, many long months of suffering. I have nothing to offer but blood, tears, toil, and sweat. You ask, what is our policy? I will say, it is to wage war by sea, land, and air, with all our might and with all the strength God can give us. To wage war against a monstrous tyranny never surpassed in the dark, lamentable catalogue of human crime. That is our policy. You ask, what is our aim? But I can answer in one word: victory. Victory at all costs. Victory in spite of all terror. Victory, however long and hard the road may be. For without victory, there is no survival. Never in the field of human conflict is so much owed by so many to so few.